Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Friends. I'm Jake.
And I'm Lisa. Today, we're going to talk about something very, very important for everyday life coffee.
Yes, or tea, or a little snack. We're going to imagine a simple coffee shop conversation so you can learn what to say.
It's a perfect topic for beginners. We'll use slow, simple English, just like two friends talking. Are you ready?
Let's do it. They turn to face each other as if starting a casual chat. Hey Lisa, how's your morning going?
Pretty good, Jake. Thanks. I'm a little tired, actually. I was just thinking, I really need a coffee.
Oh, me too. I was up late last night. A big cup of coffee sounds perfect right now.
Yeah, sometimes I get a little nervous ordering coffee. There are questions. What size? For here or to go? It can be confusing.
I know. It's simple, but when you're learning, it feels like a test. Let's talk about it. So imagine we're at our favorite coffee shop, the Daily Grind. What do you usually get, Lisa?
I usually get a medium latte. I love lattes. They're smooth, not too strong. What about you?
I'm a black coffee guy. Just simple, but I get a large because I need a lot.
Okay, so large, that's one size. But shops have different words for sizes. It can be small, medium, large, or sometimes short, tall, grande.
Right, that's a famous coffee shop's way. But for most places in the USA, small, medium, large is perfect. Totally okay to use.
So the worker, the barista, will probably ask first, "What can I get started for you?" Or "What would you like?"
And I say, hi, can I get a large coffee, please? Just like that. Nice and simple.
Perfect. Then they will ask the next question, "Is that for here or to go?" This means, do you want to drink it in the shop or take it away?
That's an important one. I almost always say to go. I'm always running to work or to something.
Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Easy, but if it's a beautiful day and I have time, I like to say, "For here." Then they give you a real mug, a cup. It feels nice. You can sit and relax.
That's true. A for here coffee is a little experience, not just a drink.
Exactly. So let's do a practice. Jake, you order first. You are at the counter.
Okay. Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. What can I get started for you?
Can I have a large black coffee, please?
Sure. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Great. Your total is $3.25. And then payment, another step.
Right, so they tell you the price, the total. You can pay with cash or with a card. Most people use a card now. You just tap it or put it in the machine.
But cash is still okay. Always okay. So you say, "Here you go," and give the money. Or you can say, "Can I pay with card?"
And if you pay with cash, you might get change back, small coins. So you can say keep the change if you want to be nice, or just take it.
Let me tell a little story. One time I was so nervous ordering. It was my first time in a big city coffee shop. The machine for the card was broken.
Oh no.
Yes, and I only had a big $20 bill. My order was only $4.50. I was so embarrassed. I said, "I only have 20." And the barista was so kind. He smiled and said, "No problem at all. We have change." He made me feel so much better.
That's a good story. See, even small problems are okay. People are usually nice.
Yes, so after you pay, they might say, "Thank you. Your coffee will be ready at the end of the counter." Or, "I'll call your name."
They ask for your name sometimes. Can I have your name for the order?
And then you say, "Lisa," or "Jake." They write it on the cup, and you wait. You listen for your name.
Large black coffee for Jake. That's you.
Then I take my coffee and say, "Thank you. Have a nice day," and I leave. Mission complete.
But what if you want something a little different, not just black coffee? What about milk or sugar?
Ah, good point. You can ask for that. You can say, "Can I have 2 sugars, please?" Or, "A little milk on the side, please." On the side means in a separate little cup.
Or when you order, you can say, a medium coffee with cream and sugar. You say it all together.
Let's practice a more complicated order for you, Lisa. You want a medium latte.
Okay, so I walk up. Hi there, I'd like a medium latte, please.
Okay, for here or to go?
For here today. It's so sunny by the window.
Nice choice. That will be $4.75.
Here you go.
Thank you. What's your name for the order?
Lisa.
Thanks, Lisa. We'll call you when it's ready.
And then I wait. Simple. You make it sound easy.
It is easy when you practice. The most important things are please and thank you. They make everything friendly.
Definitely. So let's think of problems. What if you don't understand the price or you can't hear the name of the drink?
You can always ask, politely, I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Or, how much was that again? It's totally fine to ask.
Could you speak a little slower, please? That's a very good sentence for learners.
Yes, people will help. They will speak slower. No problem.
You know, my favorite part of a coffee shop is not just the coffee.
Oh? What is it?
The smell. You open the door and that smell of coffee beans. It feels like home. It feels warm.
That's so true. It's a comforting smell. It means you can take a break, sit down, breathe, even for 5 minutes.
Even ordering to go, it's a little break in your day, a small, happy routine.
So for everyone learning, don't be scared of this routine. It's a great way to practice a little English every day. Start with one sentence. Medium coffee, to go, please.
Then next time, add hello. Then next time, ask for sugar, step by step.
And remember, the barista talks to 100 people a day. They hear all kinds of orders. Yours will be just fine.
So, our main takeaways? Number 1, small, medium, or large.
Number 2, for here or to go.
And number 3, just be polite. Use please and thank you, and don't worry.
Exactly. Well, talking about this made me really want a coffee now.
Jake stands up. Me too. Should we go get one? For here? We can enjoy it and people watch.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
They both smiled at the camera. Thanks for learning with us today. We hope this conversation helps you feel confident at a coffee shop.
Practice the lines, imagine the situation, and you'll do great. Leave a comment below and tell us what's your favorite coffee shop drink.
See you next time for more English with Friends. Bye.